Hello everyone. So today this is a game what I'm playing right now, and it's called Marble Runners, and it's on itch.io, and yeah, it's kind of cool. The game was made by Red and Blue Monkey VR, and yeah, this stuff, fan art, Mr. Ball, land, cool, Marble Death. All right, wait, shop where you can buy stuff in here. Oh, you don't have to like buy anything. That's not a monkey. That's a marble. What the hey? Ugh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah. I love that texture. Oh, okay. Wait, how do you get the VIP? What the hey? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna play some of the game modes. So, yeah. What was that? Okay. Rock climbing. Oh. Wait. Oh, I need to turn off the music. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn off. No more. No more. No thanks. Okay, hang out. Dang, this is kind of cool. It's pretty big. Yeah, pretty big. Pretty big. Cool. My battery on my headset is kind of low, so yeah. Just near. I kind of like hurry up a little bit. Find the marbles. This might be easy. Easy. What, hey? Why can't I get that one? There we go. Alright. Oh, that's like the ones where you look at when you actually like got them. Oh. Wait, can you go on the vent? You can! Wait, kick. No, it doesn't kick me. Why would it even kick me? Did I get all of them? I don't think I did. Yeah, I knew it. I'm gonna check later if I got all of them, but yeah. Please wait. Oh, okay. Horror. Grapple. Alright, I'm gonna make another video on playing horror mode, so yeah. Turn it off! Wait, easy. Oh wait, it's actually like a grapple. Oh man. What's wrong with you? Oh man. What's wrong with my game? Son of a bitch, I'm gonna break you. Dude, why? What? Just what? What the heck? Oh, you can grab on it. Oh, you can grab on anything. That's cool. That cool. Dude! Are we serious right now, dog? No! God dang it, Sonny! Stupid. This is so stupid. Okay, no, maybe it's not, but okay. Come on, Sonny. Yeah, I'm just doing it. Wrong. Of course. Alright, I guess that's the whole video.